Nagsagawa ang Schools Division Office ng Olongapo City ng isang market scoping at exhibit viewing para sa mga supplementary learning resources na ginanap sa SDO Conference Hall. Layunin ng aktibidad na pagtipunin ang mga school leaders, supervisors at 11 publishing companies upang mas mapalawak ang akses ng mga paaralan sa dekalidad at angkop na materyales pang-edukasyon. Ibinahagi naman ni Dr. Eleanor C. Cayabyab, Chief ng Curriculum Implementation Division, ang mga layunin na aktibidad kabilang na ang pagtiyak na sapat ang suporta sa mga paaralan pagdating sa supplementary materials. Naging posible ang aktibidad sa tulong ng CID at LRMDS team sa mga lumahok na publishing companies.
At the moment po, we are having the one-day division market scoping for the procurement of supplementary learning resources for 18 public school libraries today at SDO Olongapo City Conference Hall. This is participated by more than 10 publication companies who answered our call and our invitation to give us sample materials, manipulatives, and other reference materials which we can give our learners and our schools to make them better informed, should I say also, to have additional materials aside from the reference materials and textbooks that they are using in their school. This is the first time that we have the market scoping in SDO Olongapo City, and we are very glad to say that this is very successful, this is very much attended, and well participated by the different stakeholders from the school, the SDO, and of course, the staff and personnel from the different publication company. This opportunity gives us better ideas, gives us better background on what they offer, and we were able to scrutinize materials which are aligned to the K-12 curriculum. These materials, we believe, will very much address the need of our learners to have avenue for better resources which are not available in school libraries, and at the same time, they will not be only limited to the modules provided by the Department of Education. With the materials that we shall be procuring for the school libraries, we believe and we are confident that our school libraries will be more visited because they will be more functional, more responsive to the needs of our learners, and of course, as additional materials and references for our teachers. Magandang buhay pong muli sa ating lahat.
Kabilang sa mga publishing companies na lumahok sa exhibit ang Aviva Publishing House Incorporated, Book on Wheels, C&D Adaptive Learning Solutions, Haring Ibon, Lampara Books, Learnovate, Phoenix Publishing House, Rex Education, Tech Factors Incorporated, at Vicarish Publication and Trading Incorporated. Ipinamalas ng mga ito ang iba't ibang learning resources na maaaring makatulong sa pagtuturo at pagkatuto sa mga paaralan. Nagbigay din ng kani-kanilang mensahe at pagpapahayag ang ilan sa mga lumahok na nagsuri sa mga iba't ibang materyales at libro ng mga publishing companies.
This kind of project was initiated, and I'd like to congratulate the LRMDS team for bringing in to the division office the publishers of the different book companies. It's the first time, one of a lifetime experience for all of us supervisors. Because previously we were the ones going to different libraries, to different publications to select our books. But now here they are. There are so many of them, and we are so happy to have them all here. Thank you.
Bilang Public School District Supervisor, ang market scoping po ay makatutulong sa amin para mahanap ang accessible, relevant at aligned learning resources para po sa mahusay na pag-i-implement ng matatag curriculum. Nagbibigay ng kalidad na edukasyon para po sa mga bata ng SDO Olongapo City.
Bilang isa sa mga beneficiaries ng Division Market Scoping o bilang beneficiaries ng maraming aklat na nakikita ninyo sa aming paligid ngayon, ako ay lubos na nagagalak at natutuwa at napakapalad po namin dahil nakita namin ang iba't ibang mga learning resources na maaaring makatulong sa aming mga guro sa kanilang pagtuturo. Bagamat ito ay hindi sapat, pero ito po ay malaking tulong upang ang aming mga mag-aaral ay magkaroon ng positive learning outcomes.
Sa kanyang mensahe, binigyang diin ni Dr. Imelda P. Macaspac, Schools Division Superintendent, ang kahalagahan ng matibay na pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga publishing companies.
Sa para sa schools at sa ating library hub, which is currently being constructed. No? And so, kami ni Ma'am, nakiusap kami kay Director if it is possible that the 7.2 million na para sa library hub, kasi sabi na sana natin yung materials na gusto natin, ibigay natin sa region kasi sila yung mag-procure. But this time, hopefully, nakakuha ng letter na si Sir Sid na for the 7.2 to be downloaded again to us so that we can choose more books for our library. So let's hope for the best. So yun lamang, maraming salamat and congratulations to ID at salamat sa ating partners. Magandang hapon po.
Taos-pusong ipinahayag ni Dr. Raquel F. Ket, Education Program Supervisor ng Learning Resource Management and Development Section, ang kanyang pasasalamat.
Ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa ating SDS, Madam Imelda P. Macaspac, sa ating ASDS, Madam Eileen S. Samonte, and of course sa ating CID Chief, Dr. Eleanor C. Di magiging successful ang activity na ito kundi dahil sa suporta ng mga learning area supervisors, district supervisors, school heads kasama ng kanilang mga teachers, and of course, ang 11 invited publishing companies. Malaki ang naiambag ng mga taong ating mga nabanggit sapagkat mas malawak ang kanilang mga kaalaman tungkol sa curriculum needs and curriculum programs pagdating sa school.
At yan ang balitang tinutukan mula rito sa Schools Division Office lungsod ng Olongapo, tungo sa isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ako si Onyx Umayong Villar, matatag at marangal na umaaksyon para sa edukasyon, Central Luzon.